birds. We found little teeny weeny birds. They're in our porch. I'm gonna see if I can move around here. Aren't they cute? Oh my word. I think they're just about ready.
Don't end the video though. Pause the video. Okay.
Yeah, I think they're about ready to fly. Yeah, I do. So
Hey guys, so we were trying to do like a background for an owl painting, but the video stopped before we even got to sew it in it. But this is what it turned out to be like. It was a lot cooler, but since it started to dry, this happened. But it still looks pretty cool. Sorry, I kind of have it hiccups a bit, so I might stop talking.
So what was your process? How did you do it?
Well, first I take the squirt bottle.
I put the ink back, but you used ink, right?
You put the bottle on the canvas, then you put some ink on. While it was on so pretend this was like the canvas, I'd squirt it, and then we put ink on, and then we move it up and drip it around, and they start dripping down and everything.
Yeah. You want to pick up the canvas and show how you did that? Well, do you want to try another color of ink? Okay. Well, the ink is over here. This is a little mini tour of Purple Door Studio. Cuckoo Bird is gonna select a nice color of ink to put. That's a cool pic. That's cool. That's kind of purple, right? All right. So come on over and show everybody how you did that. I think first yeah, that's got kind of a funky cover. So there, you can fix it. Just now. Okay. What I would do, put it on the paper. Put your canvas on the paper. Put some drops on it, and then you can squirt it again.
Okay.
Now watch what Cuckoo Bird does. This is gonna be. Oh, cool! There. Now what are you going to do?
I'm going to squirt it. I'll lift it up first. Then I can squirt it some. See how it kind of runs off to the side a bit? Gives it a nice little texture.
Oh, that's very nice.
I don't just turn it that way. I can turn it this way too. That actually looks really nice.
Oh, I like that.
Nice and
it's really nice.
Run down this way a bit.
That's pretty cool.
We want to give up here so it drips down more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool. We like that.
Yeah. I like that color right now.
Oh, yeah. That looks good. So that's a pretty good demo for what we're doing here. So this is Cuckoo Bird's cool background. And we're just going to remind you, what is the name of our channel?
Graham Cracker Art.
And
subscribe.
Yes.
We don't take art seriously.
We don't take art seriously. And also,
yes, Steve.
There's Steve. He's all worn out. Oh.
He's tired last night.
Steve, he's wiped out. So he's not very photogenic when he's tired. But anyway, we don't take art seriously. And also, art can be messy. But the messier it is, the more fun it is. So, right, look at that. So we're going to sign out for now and stay tuned. So Cocoa Bird will probably show you the finished result. Cuckoo Bird, I keep calling you Cocoa Bird, will show you the finished result of his painting when it's all complete. So you have a great day.